I don't care if you're going around the world or around the corner, travel days are always rough.
Yeah, after a couple of these places I've booked, like the bucket shower,
Crazy lady.
and the mosquito temple, we do leave these windows open on the side. I've really been starting to worry about what the next place would be like.
But the room we checked into today was well worth the wait.
Oh, look at these handles. Ooh, hello. Super cute.
Glass shower.
A walled-in shower. We get excited about the, ooh, pink light. We get excited about the little things is what I was gonna say. And then I saw a recessed pink light. This is fancy. It is double the price of our last room.
And we can't wait to show you.
Before we can explore anything fun, first we need to get some supplies.
This is one of the things that we don't show enough of in travel videos.
The glamorous side of traveling.
We try to balance experiences with everyday life.
So, while Dalat has a ton of cool attractions,
Part of our day is still figuring out basic stuff.
as full-time budget travelers, we like to save money wherever we can.
And Go is the perfect place to stock up on essentials.
Toilet paper, coffee,
And they have an awesome deli section where we like to grab lunch and a few things for later.
fancy. Well, it's almost, not quite, but almost double the price of our last room. So we had to go a little further out of the city, but I would say definitely an upgrade. I feel fancy. They say this is a double, but it looks like a queen. So we'll unpack and then we'll take a tour around the room.
20 minutes later.
Welcome to our new room. Now that we're settled a little bit, let's give you a tour. So, key card goes in here. They only gave us one key card and it's too wide, so there's this cool little thing that turns on all the lights and everything. It took us a minute to figure that out. But now that we're in, super cute. Love the ornate decorations and things on the ceilings. And this room is a lot bigger than the one we were just in and has a ton more seating. So, here we have a sofa that actually folds down into a bed if you wanted to take a nap separately or something. Two cute little chairs with a table or ottoman and a nice big screen TV. So our last room did not have a TV. And we have a Fire Stick, so we can plug that in here and get lots of different channels. Then we have a full-size like mini fridge. So this is like double of what we've been getting in most of the rooms, if we even have one. Delicious. That was our first Bun Ryu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the second part correctly, but it was a lot like Bun Bo Hui, but the broth was more like Bun Cha Ka. So kind of like a mix of different soups that we've had. Anyway, delicious. Definitely would come back.
And massive amounts of meat.
Oh yeah. Steven has a huge pork bone, yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa. Give me a whoa. Do not drop the...
I don't know.
Yeah. That's like a whole steak. 30,000 for this one. 45 for this one. Big old huge piece of meat in there. Fantastic. Super excited about that. And then we're gonna make this our little kitchenette area. Behind you is a big bed. I think they said it's a double suite, but this looks like a queen to us. And this is a foam mattress, but it's softer than the last one we had. So we're super excited about it. Can't wait to sleep on it tonight. We'll let you know how that goes. All right, then over here we have a little vanity area. We have a nice fan, by the way. Like Steven said, not everything can be perfect. It's a little bit wobbly, but we're super excited about this room. So a remote for the TV. I have a vanity here with a light. I can't wait to try that. Oh, also we both have our own charging station, so that's super exciting. One negative here is that the light switches are in kind of a funny spot. There is one main switch when you come in for these recessed lights, but then all the rest of the lights are over here on this side of the bed, so that's a little funky. Overall, though, we're very happy. And some storage, which is going to be great for me to put my makeup and everything away. And this huge closet area with drawers and everything, hangers. We'll be able to settle in a lot more in this room, which is exciting. I think Steven is already loving this room a lot more than our last room. All right, on to the bathroom. So I think the switch is over here. Is that it? Oh, in here. See, the switches are a little weird. Okay, super cute little vanity under the sink here. Oh, they don't open all the way, but lots of hanging storage. I'll say they've got tons of hooks everywhere. I've already hung up my loungewear, but tons of space to hang stuff. Beautiful tiles on the walls. It looks like they've redone this place. And then an enclosed glass shower with a rain shower and a wand. So our last one had a wand, but didn't have the rain shower. Now it is interesting that that electrical work is all in there with the shower, but we'll just be careful and keep the water to this side, obviously. Look at those cords. Oh, and another thing is there was no toilet paper, but because our last hotel also didn't have toilet paper, we bought some ourselves, so we already had it with us. We went and got water and snacks because this is a bit up and out of the way. We're in the northeast side of Delot from the lake. We're using the lake as sort of our main pinpoint. I think that's what a lot of people in this area do. So we got water, snacks, all these things. We really stocked up because we didn't know how easy it'd be to get things in this area. And no joke, right across the street is a grocery store. We haven't checked it out yet, but anyway, it looks like it's a super convenient area. We probably didn't need to do that, but we always like to be safe versus sorry. So we did it anyway. And the grab to get up here was about $3 from Go. So it's not a lot to go down to the lake if we still wanted to go do lake things. And considering the price of this is about $10, $11 a night, it is, I think, a lot. It's at a much higher level, definitely where we like to be. The walls are all super clean. There are a couple scratches. It looks like a shoe print. Maybe someone killed a bug or something. But they're all super clean, and there's no mold or anything in the shower. For double the price, you're further away from the lake. Although up here there are two of their own little lakes that we can check out while we're up here. So originally our stay here was about $7 a night, which is a great deal, and you could stay in this building for that price. But we upgraded to the suite because we wanted this balcony. So in the evenings, we can bring out two of those chairs, just sit out here with the breeze. Unfortunately, there are a ton of like electrical cords and things right here in the view, but we would still be able to sit and enjoy a nice glass of wine and relax with the cool breeze. And they are covered, so if it rains, you know, no big deal, no problem. So yeah, time to just settle in here. We need to find, of course, a place to do laundry. All right, so this was $35,000 and it was 2.5 kilograms. I think it's 10,000 a kilogram, yeah? Or no? Yeah, anyway, great price, this is a lot. And it's all folded. Ta-da! Where we're gonna get dinner and things like that tonight. So yeah, we're just gonna check out this area, see how we like it, and see if it's an area that maybe we'd want to get an apartment in, because we are loving this part of Da Nang. I almost let flies in. All right, we'll catch up with you later.
All right, guys, so here we are, right? We were looking for something to eat, couldn't find it. So, like the adventurers we are, we just stumbled upon a restaurant. They invited us in, and we have mystery meat. Don't know what it is, don't know what it could be. Google Translate failed us, did not know what this meant. We're gonna get 2 steaks and this, and then go back and order McDonald's. No, that's not how we do it. Okay, go.
Oh, come on.
So we got the vegetables just like we do with pho, and we got fermented fish sauce. The vegetables came with lime, so we squeezed the lime into the fermented fish sauce and it made this paste.
And he gave us 2 peppers. One.
We've made a lemongrass chicken with these. And so we know how spicy they are. And so we're going to be careful with these. But let's dip it in. Let's see what it tastes like.
I like it. I think it's tangy.
Oh, yeah. It's like pho without the broth.
That's a good way to describe it. I like it. Do you like it?
Define like.
All right, so we're packing up to leave, and we just wanted to give you our summary or overview on this hotel. So we absolutely love this room. Everything worked great. Everything's clean, and the walls are immaculate, other than that one footprint. Looks like someone killed a bug. There were a few mosquitoes here and a couple of flies, but we were leaving the windows open 24 hours a day. So the wiring is out here in the shower. It worried us a little bit, but it was fine. We had no issues. The water doesn't go that way, so that was cool. And the power did go out once, but only for like 10 seconds. All right, so the power just went out in our hotel, and it's out on the street, except for up there. It's back on, so it looks like just this block is out. The lady from our hotel is checking it out.
Somebody didn't pay the bill.
Well, it's up there. See that block? Hey! Good job, somebody.
Somebody gets a raise.
Well, that was weird. And we're watching a creepy movie, so
We're watching From. First episode.
it was not a good time, but it was just getting dark, and then the lights in our room went out, and it was a little creepy. Anyways, all right. So that wasn't a problem either. So overall, it was great. The refrigerator stayed extra cold. There were little teeny tiny ants that would come around if you left any food out, but as long as you put everything away and took the trash out right away, it was good. It was nice and cool, and when it rained, these windows open up so that rain doesn't get in. So even in monsoons, we were able to let the air in and out. It did get a little bit humid after rains, but otherwise it was great, and I think would overall definitely stay here again. Oh, they cleaned. So for free, because we were here for 7 days, they came and cleaned once, I think our 3rd or 4th day. We had our room cleaned. They gave us 2 new bottles of water, made the bed, 2 fresh towels, and the floor is gorgeous. We told them which day, and they came and they cleaned in about 2 hours. It looked really great when we got back, so that was another plus. So definitely would stay here again. Steven said one problem for him is it's a little bit remote. We're up next to the old train station and right near the Children's Prison Museum and a couple of other things in this area. So it would be good if you, we wanted to stay here for 2 or 3 days to see those kinds of things. Overall for us though, it was great to see the whole neighborhood and whether or not we'd want to stay up here by this lake. So that was really great. We just want to correct, we said we had our own toilet paper, and we realized they provided this, which here can be toilet paper. So we just didn't recognize it because it's very different what we're used to. Another thing we want to mention about this hotel is that the gal at the front desk, and I think it's been the same gal almost the whole time, has been awesome. She just talked on the phone with a delivery guy for me, and every time I've went down there and asked her for help, she's been very helpful. So the customer service here has been great. Moving days are always draining.
So we decided to do something we've never done here in Vietnam.
A nice cold craft beer bar. And this might be the coziest place we've found in Dalat so far.
That's dangerously smooth.
Every city seems to have one of these, and we love finding these little hidden spots.
This ended up being one of those days that wasn't exciting at first.
But somehow ended up being one of our favorites.
We started out packing supplies and ended up drinking craft beer in the mountains.
And that's what we're finding out that we're loving about Dalat. Every day is full of different experiences. Dalat feels unpredictable in the best ways.
And we still have a lot of Dalat to explore.
So make sure you've subscribed.
And we'll see you in the next adventure. If you're new around here, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
Wishing you simple
and easygoing adventures. Goodbye.
Be free.